To solve this type of questions on graph, first understand what this graph says or read the graph. Once you understand the graph, you can solve hundreds of questions easily. How to read this graph? Let's see. So hello everyone, welcome to our channel NM Math. In this video, we will see Introduction to Graph, exercise number 15.1, question number 1. The following graph shows the temperature of a patient in a hospital recorded every hour. Here is the graph. According to this graph, they have given 4 to 5 bits of question. We will solve this one by one. Before going to solve this one, we will understand what this graph says, or we read this graph, each and every point. Let's see. See here. Here is two axes. One is x-axis and another is y-axis. On y-axis, it is given temperature, and in x-axis, it is given time. These points shows the recorded data at that time or at that particular day. It is recorded. These points shows the recorded data. Okay. Now we will read each and every point here. Point shows, if we go to x-axis, it shows the time 9 AM. If we go to y-axis, it shows the temperature in between 35 and 36, means here the lines are equidistant, so here 35 and half, then we can say 35.5. Next recorded data is here. The point show the second data. Let's see what it says. It show on x-axis the time is 10 AM and the temperature is 36 degrees. Next, see here, next recorded data is here. It shows the time 11 AM and the temperature is 39 degrees Celsius. Next see here, this point, next recorded data is this one. It shows 12 noon and temperature is in between 38 and 39, means 38 and half. We can say it as 38.5. Next recorded data is, see here, this point shows the data recorded. Here it is time, it shows time 1 PM and the temperature is in between 36 and 37, means 36.5. Next, see next point is here. It shows time 2 PM and temperature is same, that is 36.5. We can, here clearly we see the temperature of 1 PM and the temperature of 2 PM is same, that is 36.5. Here points on the same line of 36.5. We can say on 1 PM and 2 PM the temperature is same for both time. Here is next point. It shows the time 3 PM and the temperature is 37. This is how we can read the whole graph. After that, thousands of questions on this graph you can solve easily. First, you must read the graph, what the graph says, and then go to questions. Okay. What was the patient temperature at 1 PM? See here, this is 1 PM. Okay. Now, the temperature is already we seen 36, in between 36 and 37 means 36.5. Right here, the patient's temperature at 1 p.m. is 36.5 degree. Next question, when was the patient temperature 38.5? See, first we see the temperature 38.5. 38.5 lies between 38 and 39. Here is the line. See here. Here is the line in between 38 and 39. That is 38.5. Next we will see the time. Time is 12 noon. Write it here. At 12 noon, patient temperature is 38.5 degree. Next, the patient temperature was the same 2 times during the period given. What were these 2 times? Okay, we already seen these temperatures here on 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. the same line. So we can write here at 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. the patient's temperature was same. Next question, what was the temperature at 1:30 p.m.? How did you arrive the answer? 1:30 means, see here, 1 p.m. Here is 2 p.m. We already seen that the lines of graph is equidistant. So we can say that in between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. this line shows the time 1:30 p.m. Because this line shows the same temperature, we can write the temperature on this particular time is same as 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. that is 36.5. Write down this answer in your own sentence without here already. Let's go to next question. During which period did the patient's temperature shows an upward trend? Upward trend means going upward direction, or we can say it is increasing temperature. See here, first point and second point. See here, it is going upward direction. So mark it as upward trend. Now the second point and third point also going upward direction, that is increasing the temperature. Mark it here also. Now see here, the third point and fourth point are going down, so leave it. And here these 2 points also going down, leave it. Here temperature is same, it's not going upward or downward. Let's go to next. Here it is slightly upward, so mark it. Here we write our answer. The patient's temperature showed an upward trend is, first point is from this one, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. This is the first upward trend. Next, 10 to 11. Write it here, 10 to 11. And the last one is here, that is 2 to 3 p.m. This is the first question of the exercise. So I hope you understand very well. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.